Tell me, truth or dare? Tell me. Tell me. Dito tayo. Carrot. Uy, boring cut. Wait lang.
3 versus 1.
Hush puppy.
I thought you didn't mind. Yeah.
Just put it there. Okay, guys. May gana si Burikat. Parang wala man tong gana na kumain.
There's not enough vegetables in the soup.
Pwede rin akong basok. Okay. Guys, everyone.
Mamaya sa gabi. Naglaro. Ulit kami niya ng kanila.
Unsweet tea.
Alright, close off.
No, gravy on the top.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna tell her I want some gravy from my gravy. That's some gravy in this. Yep.
I'm so full. Who wants to have a pot?
We're gonna see.
Come on.
Guys, double tap, guys.
Favorite ko yun. Ganda eh.
You know what they did?
You want this?
No.
Complicated. Favorite gift ko yan dito.
Too much cheese.
Ang ganda din ng fries.
Give me a honey butter.
Ganda din yung fries niya. Si Daddy Lee lang nagbigay sa akin ng bangko.
Ay, grabe. Walang mag-ano dito eh.
Mga ganyan tao, guys. Ano na, wait sila.
Wala na, namatay na.
I think it's still okay.
I will go to the restroom.
Wine.
What do you think?
Wine. No.
What? What do you mean?
You go in the bathroom, you go in the car.
Bathroom first.
Excuse me. Yate, wala na dyan manghatag karon ay. Maybe the internet side.
Wala.
Hi to you. Dutch. Hi, Dutch. Guys, we need flour, guys. Oy.
Hi, Christopher. Good morning.
Okay, say goodbye to your dull.
Kevin, where's the daddy Lou here? Boringkat. Asa naman daddy Lou karon? Ay, Yana, where is the daddy Lou? Where is daddy Lou? I have daddy Lou.
Guys,
Kapoy eh.
Asa naman na imong hari?
How did be chow, Jake? I'm sick today. I don't know.
Asa naman imong starry, man? Starry night.
Naghawa na siya.
you guys have to win this one.
Ambot eh asa.
Guys, times 3.
Guys, your first gift is times 3. Your gift is times 3.
Ice water ka na lang, Lace. Ice water na lang, Ashley.
Dahil pag nituwas talang ko tulog dahil sa ay. Lipang waya ko sa kakape
Good shower, cold water.
Naghigda naman ko.
Thank you, Dragon.
I know, I tried to really
Thank
go
you,
sleep.
Dragon.
Di ba po ko
Bigyan siya
makatulog?
bonus
Gusto
mission.
na ako kwarta kay nag-worry ko
Finish our
kasi
gift
pag matulog
gallery.
ko kasi until morning na did me. What you lami ang mga madiloboring kat kaya di naman sila mahatag.
One rose, guys.
Ako kaya di na mapakita kay giblock na ko sa WhatsApp.
Guys, one rose.
Giblock na ko eh.
One rose.
Atay man na sila eh. Sa
One
dili
rose,
ko
right?
nga wala dito wala jud po'y tao.
One
Akong
rose.
live. Like, kinsa may lugar maghatag ang dirig mga gift nga wala may tao. Saan po ng question?
Wala man po.
Okay, times 3 coming.
May tao.
Morning, JC. Mr. Ray, this isn't anything. Times 3.
Are you begging your mixed store? What are you begging? Are you begging? I'm not begging. You are. Are you bored? You can do life by yourself if you're bored, okay? Are you unhappy? Do you need a hug? Because you're very bitter to someone's life. We don't do nothing on you, okay? Leave us alone because we don't even know you. Like, if you're not happy watching with us, then Don't go watch us. Go somewhere else. You don't have to stay to a place where you're not happy. You don't have to leave a bad word either. Okay? Just respect yourself, probably.
I get
Yeah?
mad at you, girl.
Charm,
Stop paying attention to them.
because I'm not begging. I'm not asking. Okay? And if you think that's begging, maybe you're sad and that you need attention.
I need attention.
Well, I need attention too.
Rich, you need attention.
I need attention. No, I don't need attention. I want attention. A pure attention. A real one. What's happening here? Yeah, someone is asking like, someone is saying like, why are you begging here? What do I beg? And it's like, if you guys have are married, quiet yourself, or I don't know, behave well. He said.
It's not flying jets.
I
Thank
want
you,
attention.
darling.
Are you begging? I am not begging.
Yes, I'm begging for my gift
Someone
gallery
just-
to be finished.
Someone just comment here like, why are you begging? What did I
We're
beg?
begging.
I only, if there is something that I beg, is I beg for mercy that I will finally, no, just asking if you, I'm not.
You're begging for Starry to come.
No, I'm not begging. If there's something, I beg for mercy that I will meet a good person. Not good person, but like,
I demand you to send me that flying jets.
what's available if I beg? What's available if I beg? I don't know. I don't even know what is he talking. Why? I don't care, Charm. What does he think?
Mohang lover. Who is my lover? They say my lover is here down. My lover doesn't love me.
Melvena. Thank you, Melvena. Thank you, girl. Cause why do? Gata yun.
Kapoy bang ko eh.
Okay, we need a rose. Snipe with a rose, okay?
Charm, thank you for giving me a rose. Okay, I appreciate that one. Thank you. Thank you a lot. Thank you. Dapat makapag ni sila, oy.
Okay, in times 2, guys. Snape.
Hoy, Charm, I don't beg because if I beg,
Thank you,
what if people
darling.
don't give still? Diba? I let people, if they give, they give. If they don't, they don't. because maybe they don't have a lot of extra. That's why they don't give. Yeah, I don't mind. I know. Don't worry, okay?
I'm getting my nails done. Thank you.
May pasarap yun ang dadilo.
Kana may tinuod nga dadilo kay mahatag kini diri.
Wala na si Daddy Lou. He's going.
Maurap to.
He's leaving me.
Iagi ra siya. Dumaan lang.
He's leaving me. He has to go work and to pay for TikTok.
Ay, pahatag na lang diretso sa imo habi.
Hatag yung diretso din.
Palinag ko na laghatag diha diretso.
Diretso sa bed mo.
Padinag ko na lang hatag diretso dili na diri sa TikTok kada ko manigwaon si TikTok good.
Dako, 50%, 70.
Very big, no? Ayong gabi I'm looking for outfit for my Philippine holiday.
When are you going home, girl?
August pa matagal pa.
Ayan. Next month.
Savage love. Is the awa.
Tingyawa, grabe. Mana ang game. Wala man lang ditong Daddy Lou. Wait,
Daddy Lou here either, girl.
Wait. Kay si ano ba? Si Angel. Bakit na si Angel kay mangaway to? Ay,
Thank you, honey.
ay may ano pala siya. May kalaro pala siya.
Who?
Si Angel ba? May kamatch pala siya. Nakada kasi ba pag
That enough? No, times 10.
pag-away kay medyo mag-away kaya tayo.
Kamura kila pag-away mo.
Away, girl. Our
Tahimik
score is 0. How are we gonna argue?
hindi tahimik mo
What are we gonna argue about? Our score is 0.
Dili yung mga person para manghatag sila.
Yana Hassan, I love you.
Pego.
Okay, you have a good day, Charm, okay? Have a good day to you.
Si Daddy Lou, nag-ban mo na sa akin for my nails.
Shit, benyo mo. I want
Ban mo
that.
siya ng 200, sabi pa niya dito. Is that enough?
Oh my God.
I said, no, times 10.
I love the Venmo.
Ay, nagbigay ng pera?
Nag-ban mo siya.
Sana all.
Sana all.
For my nails daw. Malis na kayo. Ang trabaho pa yan. Thank you, Ray.
After this, I go sleep. Putang inaasa ng mga dadilo ngayon.
Balik na.
Then, dito siya dahil.
Where's Starry Girl?
Story.
Yeah, I know.
Got her.
What?
Bitaw, asa si Starry?
Who are you looking?
Nasa siya.
Thank you, Story. Nandito nga siya. No, I'm not okay. I'm very tired.
Andyan na siya. Okay.
I don't know what's wrong with my head. I'm dizzy. I'm not okay. But it's okay. I'm not okay, but it's okay. I know.
The regular ground. Give me the ground, guys. I need a ground.
Starry, thank you so much, okay? Na ano ka naman dyan, Yana?
Nakayag man. Konti lang.
Ha?
I have Jared and Fergo.
Wala pa girl.
No, I'm just tired.
Yung tapos.
It's my head, okay?
Ay,
Last day of tomorrow, last day. I have weekend. My head is not good. Kapuya po ano nila diri. Ay! Hala, i-try unta na ako. Basig wala na ikamatch. Si ano kay maganda kasi yun kay mangaway talaga ba?
Sige, go ahead. Ayan.
mag-match pa siya.
Tulad.
May match pa siya.